To make an appointment booking website, start by defining your project requirements and target audience. Determine the type of appointments you want to offer, such as medical consultations, hair salon appointments, or fitness classes. Identify the features you need, including user registration, appointment scheduling, payment processing, and reminders. Choose a suitable programming language and framework, such as Python with Django or JavaScript with React. Select a reliable database management system, like MySQL or MongoDB, to store user data and appointment information. Consider using a content management system like WordPress to simplify the development process. Design a user-friendly interface with a clear navigation menu, prominent call-to-action buttons, and a responsive layout that adapts to different devices and screen sizes. Use a secure payment gateway like Stripe or PayPal to process transactions and ensure compliance with payment card industry standards. Implement a robust appointment scheduling system with features like calendar integration, time zone support, and conflict detection. Use a library like Full Calendar or Google Calendar API to display available time slots and handle bookings. Send automated reminders and notifications to users via email or SMS to reduce no-shows and improve customer engagement. Test your website thoroughly to ensure it works as expected, with a focus on security, performance, and usability. Conduct user testing and gather feedback to identify areas for improvement and optimize the user experience. Launch your website and promote it through social media, search engine optimization, and online advertising to attract users and drive bookings. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a functional and user-friendly appointment booking website that meets the needs of your target audience and helps you achieve your business goals. Remember to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies to continuously improve and expand your website's features and capabilities.